Welcome back to another market update with Spiral Strategies, and today we'll be checking out Bitcoin and Ethereum with one surprise coin at the end, so stay tuned. Now, we've actually seen some really nice bullish market structure here on Bitcoin with two big moves. We've seen this move here and another move here. So we've got some nice ABCD type patterns happening here as well, banging up against into our downtrend line that we've drawn here, which is this yellow and gray lines here. Now we're actually hitting some nice levels here where we've got some support here at 69,000 and our resistance here, which remains quite strong as well at around $71,000. We actually should see this kind of consolidate. We're looking to see this breakout here into our next target, which is around this $78,000 mark. So stay tuned, we could see another temporary spike. Similarly, where we had this spike here from 66,000 to 71,000, we might see another spike up, hitting this next trend line here, but actually, looking more bullish as we head onto the other side of this now downtrend line. So we're actually breaking past a lot of resistances, which is nice to see on Bitcoin. Let's take a quick dive into our volume profiles just to see what's happening there as well. So it's good to see we've filled out this profile really nicely. We're hitting a support here, looking to push higher above value high as well. We do have a little bit of a gap here, but we're not too worried about this gap getting filled at 65,000. However, it is still possible that we could see another consolidation back down to retest some of these key levels at 65,000. So we'll keep you guys posted on that one too. Like we said here with our MACD, we had some really nice MACD bullish divergence, which confirmed, showing us that we really wanted to go range bound, retest some of these key levels here at 71,000. Big range, really big range, guys, from here to here, and this range here as well. So still range bound, but nonetheless we are looking more and more bullish as we head on after this halving event. So like I said, guys, after the halving we normally do see, after a couple of months of lull and sideways action, like we're expecting, we really want to see us push into this 90k area, which we were kind of expecting June, after probably June, July, most likely after July. However, we could see an early spike just before July as well, just depending on how Bitcoin moves after we really test some of these levels. We're really consolidating tight here as we squeeze out of this kind of key area. So it's good to see Bitcoin now consolidating into another channel, um, and basically breaking out of this resistance here, and retesting here is a really nice thing to see. So hopefully we hold this low here at 69,000. That'll be really good to see on Bitcoin. And like I said before, guys, here on our volume profile, we had our bear volume really die down, and just as that bear volume died down, we had our bull volumes pick right back up. So really good to see. We'll quickly head on into Ethereum as well, where we had a really massive spike, which was really cool to see because we had, like I was telling you guys as well, we had this bullish MACD divergence and this really nice triangle consolidation wedge that we broke out of. And you guys can see once we broke out of it, it just blew past all the resistances here. Um, Now, where can we kind of go from here? We are looking for a retest, or not a retest actually, but actually let's just go back. Yes, a retest, sorry, of this 48,000, oh sorry, $4,800 level. What that's going to look like is we've got a nice ABCD happening here. So that's really going to take us right back up to retest this key high at 4,800. Um, Now, how powerful does this Ethereum move spike up? It's actually got some legs here. We might see some consolidation here before we head back up. We'll quickly have a look at our volume profile again. We'll drill down to a 4-hour time frame and just really see how much legs we've got here on Ethereum. So similarly here, we're actually hitting value high. So we do expect it to kind of fall off a little bit here. However, it's looking very, very bullish. We had a lot of green bull price action driving this up, breaking all the resistances here, which is really cool to see because we had a really nice consolidation here, squeeze. Um, yeah, we saw this really tighten up, and then once we broke out of this triangle on the retest, it just really, really pushed up. And we'll quickly head on over into our next coin here. Guys, we've been telling you guys about this on our newsletter, which was 𝗙𝗪𝗪𝗏. Now, we had told you guys that there was some really nice supports here if you guys wanted to pick up 𝗙𝗪𝗪𝗏, which is a really solid name, um, which we believe in as the next storage play. And storage is going to be a really big play as we head into AI and into the future. AI is going to be a really big driver because we're going to need lots and lots of storage. Data is always going to be a big thing when it comes to the future movements in crypto as well. Um, but yeah, like we said, guys, up here at 43, plus $40, 𝗙𝗪𝗪𝗏 was way too expensive. However, in our newsletter, we did tell you guys that if you were looking to buy, we were expecting a dip back to kind of retest some of these key levels here, which was at 22.15, and we've hit that on the dot, and we've had a really nice strong move back up, almost hitting 100% actually. Yes, we did. So, for those subscribers, they got their free double and are now in a free position essentially. So they're really taking advantage of these markets here, which is good to see. Now we had this key level that we were looking at here for longs. We were maybe expecting a dip to 61.8, but we never got that dip. Um, we only dipped as far down as this key level here, which we were really, really looking at on our time frames and on our analysis when we released that newsletter. So that was really good to see. We had a really nice Wyckoff check here for those that were too late. Even to that, you could have had your reload zones here and pick some more up here at 61.8 at this $28.60 level as well. But now it's looking a bit too far gone. We're going to be heading up, retesting some of these key levels here. We've got $60 here, which we've got a weekly gap. Another key level at 91. The bull volume has really, really picked up. So stay tuned for 𝗙𝗪𝗪𝗏, guys. 𝗙𝗪𝗪𝗏 is going to be a big, big name. We believe in it. Um, and to be honest, this is probably the last chance to get in at a decent price um, to hold for the next couple of months or year down the line. But after that, if you guys are too late, you can definitely still get into the next cycle. Um, just keep your head down and really, really hone in on these charts. And we'll be giving you all the latest updates in our newsletters as well, so don't forget to subscribe to that as well. That is all for today, guys. If you liked it, please like, share, and subscribe. Peace.